Welcome to Brooks Guitar Lessons. I am Bill Brooks. Today we're going to learn how to fix a loose end pin jack. Right there. So stick around. Okay, this jack is very, very loose, as you can see. I don't want to put a strap on that. I don't want to, I don't feel good about plugging in with that. So I'm going to use this JackTight. I'm going to put the link in the description so you know where to find it. And you open it up, and it looks like this. This is the acoustic version of the JackTight. It comes with the tool, it comes with a wrench, and it comes with instructions. Good thing, because most people don't do this on a regular basis. But if you have one of these jacks, you better learn how to do this, because this will save you money. You don't want to take this to the shop every time that you have a loose jack. So step one says rotate spool counterclockwise until spool touches the handle, all the way down to the handle. It's already there. And step two, for acoustic guitars with an end pin cap only, remove the pin cap. End pin cap. We're going to do that with my fingers. And place tip and rubber sleeve of JackTight into the 1/4 inch output jack of your guitar or bass. Carefully, slowly. Make sure that stop after the rubber sleeve has fully entered the output jack. Do not push tool any further. Side 2. Rotate spool clockwise until JackTight tool has firm grip on inside of the output jack. I do believe that's a firm grip. And then with the wrench, tighten, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Tighten, not loosen. Make sure not to tighten too much. Step 6 says do not over-tighten the nut. Okay, loosen tool. And then remove gently, slowly. And then replace the cap. Sorry about that. And now, I feel good about putting a strap on that. I feel good about plugging in. Okay, so now my jack is tight, aptly named, JackTight, tightens the jack. Like I said, I'm going to put a link in the description so you can find that on Amazon. It's worth the money. It's worth the $10 to spend on one tool one time, rather than to go to the guitar shop repeatedly. It seems like it's once a month or every few weeks that I have to get this tightened. So please share, like, subscribe. The next few videos will be about replacing the strings correctly, and also about cleaning the frets. So until next time, guitar class is dismissed.